Hello everybody, this is Divyan Samraj Singh. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a new topic that is science and technology, and the subtopic in it is space technology. So this is a very interesting topic. So today we are going to understand about the institutional setup and some important terms for understanding the space technology. So without wasting your time, let's begin with the video. Okay. So the all thing started in the year 1962. So what happened? There was a committee established in 1962 to add something like a space organization, so that we can also launch satellites, rockets, send person in the space. So that's why in 1962 a committee was established. Okay, this is a very important date. I done only those notes only because the important thing notes only because the lengthy notes are not important. We have to just know how to answer right for the mains and everything is fine. Okay, so next 1969. Okay, so what happened after so much of discussion from 1962 to 1969, they have arranged the new organization, that was ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, in 15th August. So that's our Independence Day also. So that was a great day for choosing that institutional setup. So there are so one thing or that you have to mention me about the DOS. In 1972 I had just written the date. Now can you please tell me the what is DOS in the comment section? I am waiting for your answer, and I will tell its answer in the next one. Okay, so now let us see the regional centers of the ISRO, because to administrate the satellites, to understand, to get like to work more effectively, the ISRO has established many different centers of it in different regions. So we are going to discuss, and there is also a question waiting for you in this, and that you have to mention in the comment section below. So now, what is that? So the first important thing is the ISAC. That is ISAC. Now you might be thinking, Isaac Newton. So I'm not talking about Isaac Newton's Isaac Newton. I'm talking about the ISRO Satellite Application Center. So this is a very important center, because here the development of the satellites are done. So this is divided, works also has been divided in this. So now the next one. Important thing again here is that this is in Bengaluru. Okay, this is in Bengaluru. Then next is VSSC. So this is a very important space research center, because what happens, this has came many times in the examination. So that is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram. So this is actually for the launching vehicle, development of the launching vehicle and the use of it. So mainly it is for the launching vehicle only. So this is in the Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram means Kerala capital, that you have known. Then next, that is SDS, Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh, launching site. So this is also very important, because from here only you have known many Sriharikotas. Many of the satellite has been launched. Most of them are launched here only. So this is also pretty important. Okay. Just a second, yeah. Now next, SAC, Space Application Center in Ahmedabad. So this is a center in Ahmedabad. Okay, so now you have to tell me that what is the work of this Space Application Center in the comment section. I'm giving a hint, some projects. Okay, now next one. So this is also a question. What is LPSC, Liquid Propulsion Space Center? So you have to mention me that where it is and what is its work. So these are the questions that I have to tell. So the next topic is orbit of the Earth, our consisting inner or so our earth orbit has been divided into two parts, inner orbit and outer orbit. Okay, so sorry for that. Yes, inner orbit and outer orbit. So what is there that the orbit that is below 3600 kilometers, so that is the inner orbit, and the orbit that is out above 3600 kilometers in case of earth, so that is the outer orbit. So this is also important. Next time we will learn about some different like Leo orbit, middle earth orbit, geostationary orbit. Okay, we will learn afterwards. So now next thing, now the important terms for the space technology. So there are some important terms such as satellite. So now everyone knows about what is satellite, what is launching vehicle, what is spacecraft, what is space, what is shuttle. But there is something that we actually cannot give the correct explanation, the prior explanation needed for these. So now I'm gonna explain it in a lemon language. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so next is the satellite. They are only sent for the study of the celestial body in their orbit. They are not reusable. So satellite are something that is sent only in the orbit of some planets or some celestial bodies for their particular study, or for getting some forecast, for getting some like information. So like this is whole we could say as study. So they are not reusable because they are not actually, they cannot enter to the earth surface times after some time also. They cannot enter only. Then the next is spacecraft. All those objects those are sent in the space is called a spacecraft. In a simple language, like satellite is also spacecraft. Yeah, satellite is also spacecraft. Then shuttle, spacecraft. Yeah. So yeah, okay. So now the next thing is space. So space is something, the place that is above the Kármán line. Kármán line is around 100 kilometers far from the earth's surface. So the thing that is above the Kármán line, so that area, that particular thing is mentioned as the space. Okay, so you can use this term Kármán line because this is a very very effective term, I would say. Then the next thing, shuttles. Shuttles are reusable. Shuttles can have life supporting system. Its weight are more than 20 tons minimally. So shuttle, I would say, shuttle is something that can carry human or can carry life at the life, because using these vehicles, using these things, we take the life supporting systems, we take some oxygens like this, we can carry in the space. So that's why, and due to this also, the weight of this is minimally 20 tons. Minimally 20 tons, you can understand. So what would be the maximum range, you can understand. Just a second, sorry. Then the next thing is EVA. Okay, so this is also important. So EVA, I am just telling in a simple lemon language because this is a total big explanation, big answer. So EVA is something, I would say, that is like that is a thing which is connected to the astronauts suit, the suit they go with, the astronauts they have. So what happens, the suit they so that is connected through the satellite. Okay, the satellite, I'm saying the shuttle that is connected to the shuttle. So what happened, they will not get far away from the shuttle, and they will not get lost. Also they can walk in the space also, so like this kind of thing. So EV is the technology that helps the astronaut to walk in the space, to go to like use the locomotion in the space. Okay, so now there are two categories. The first is actually I don't know the correct the pronunciation, but I will try. Drive, yeah, so that's a bad pronunciation. So just I'm telling, you can you just search it. In this one, astronauts body are connected with a tube, and the second, okay, so this one, the astronauts body are directly connected with a tube. Okay, so what happened, they will, that will be easier. And in case of the second one, the astronaut body is not connected with the tube, but there are some, like some shoes, there are some materials. So without, if the materials are not there, then it will not be EVA, because EVA is something, the technology that helps the astronaut to walk in the space. So I hope you like this video, and we have finished our space technology 2 points. Okay, the institutional setup, important terms for the space and technology. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down what I had asked the question. If you have any queries, then also comment down, and please share this video. Everything is on you. Thank you so much.